Hey everyone, welcome back to Decorants. Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and there's no better way to bring love into your home than with some stunning Valentine's wall decor. Whether you're planning a romantic surprise, hosting a cozy Valentine's dinner, or simply want to add a festive vibe, today's video is packed with ideas to transform your walls into a love-filled masterpiece. From DIY crafts to elegant decor hacks, you're going to find everything you need to make this Valentine's Day unforgettable. If you're excited to create a beautiful Valentine's vibe in your home, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Decorants for more amazing decor tips. Let's get started. DIY Valentine Wall Decor, heart-shaped string art. Transform your wall with a stunning heart-shaped string art piece. Here's how. Take a wooden board as your base and paint it in a neutral or pastel shade for a soft backdrop. Create a heart outline using nails, spacing them evenly along the shape. Use red, pink, or metallic string to weave through the nails, filling the heart with a beautiful pattern. The result? A rustic yet eye-catching handmade masterpiece that screams love. Pro tip: experiment with metallic gold or silver strings for a modern, chic vibe. For a playful twist, use a gradient of pinks and reds to create an ombre effect. Why it's perfect? This DIY piece not only adds charm to your walls, but also becomes a conversation starter, giving your Valentine's decor a personal touch. Paper garland with love notes. Add a whimsical, heartfelt touch to your space with a DIY paper garland that doubles as a love note display. Cut out heart shapes from cardstock or decorative paper. Use red, pink, and white for a classic Valentine's color scheme, or go bold with metallics and glitter paper. Write sweet messages, love quotes, or cherished memories on each heart. String them together with twine, ribbon, or fishing line and hang the garland across your wall or mantle. Pro tip: for added sparkle, use double-sided glitter paper so it shines from every angle. Alternate the heart shapes with mini Polaroid photos of you and your loved one for a unique, personal touch. Why it's perfect? This garland is not only decorative, but meaningful, making it the ideal blend of creativity and romance. Which DIY idea inspires you the most so far? Let me know in the comments below, and stay tuned because next we're diving into elegant Valentine's wall decor ideas that will set the perfect romantic ambiance. Romantic Valentine wall decorations. Wall candle holders with floral accents. Transform your walls into a romantic haven with wall-mounted candle holders paired with floral accents like red roses or soft pink peonies. These timeless combinations instantly evoke feelings of love and warmth, perfect for Valentine's Day. Why it works. The soft flicker of candlelight adds intimacy and sets the mood for a cozy evening, while the floral accents add a delicate, romantic touch. Pro tip: use battery-operated candles with timers. They're not only safe, but also allow you to keep the romantic glow going without any hassle. Consider experimenting with scented flameless candles that exude a hint of vanilla or rose for an added sensory experience. Extra touch: you can add decorative mirror panels behind the candle holders to amplify the glow and make the space feel larger and more elegant. Draped fairy lights with sheer curtains. Fairy lights aren't just for Christmas, they can bring magic to your Valentine's wall decor too. Pair warm fairy lights with sheer pink or red curtains to create a soft, dreamy look. Why it works. The lights create an enchanting glow, while the layered curtains add a touch of sophistication and romance. This combination is perfect for bedroom walls or cozy living room accents. Pro tip: layer white and pink sheer fabric to add depth and texture. Use curtain clips or hooks to adjust the drapes for a cascading effect that feels luxurious and whimsical. Extra idea: incorporate heart-shaped fairy lights or hang small paper hearts in between the layers of the curtain to elevate the Valentine's theme. If you're loving these romantic decor ideas, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Up next, we'll explore bold and creative wall art ideas that make a lasting impression, so stay tuned. Minimalist Valentine Wall. Art minimalism doesn't have to mean boring, it's all about letting simple elements shine. Use sleek modern frames to display Valentine-inspired quotes like, "Love is in the air," or "You plus me equals forever." These designs can add a classy and timeless vibe to your space. Opt for a monochromatic palette. Think black and white for a sophisticated touch, or soft blush tones for something subtle yet romantic. This approach works especially well in smaller rooms or spaces where you want a clean, uncluttered look. Pro tip: want to keep it budget-friendly? Search online for free printable Valentine's designs. There are thousands of beautiful templates available. Print them at home or at a local print shop, then pop them into a frame for a polished, elegant result. Bonus points if you pair them with fairy lights for extra ambiance. Balloon wall art with a twist. Looking to create a statement? A balloon heart-shaped wall installation is sure to wow your guests. Use balloons in classic Valentine's colors like red, pink, and white, and arrange them into a big, bold heart shape. Want to elevate the design? Incorporate metallic balloons in gold or silver, or weave in fresh flowers like roses or baby's breath for a romantic and high-end touch. This is perfect for photo shoots or as a backdrop for a Valentine's dinner. Pro tip: don't stress about setup, use a balloon garland kit. These kits usually come with everything you need, like balloon tape and glue dots, making it super easy to create a professional-looking installation. Which of these Valentine wall art ideas would you love to try? Let us know in the comments below, and don't go anywhere. We've got some amazing eco-friendly Valentine's decor ideas coming up next. Eco-friendly Valentine wall decor, upcycled fabric. Wall hangings, use leftover fabric scraps to create heart-shaped wall hangings. Combine different textures like burlap and lace for a unique eco-friendly piece. Pro tip: add dried flowers or twigs for a natural rustic charm. Reusable Valentine banners, invest in a fabric. Valentine banner that can be reused year after year. Look for ones made with sustainable materials like organic cotton or jute. Pro tip: choose neutral tones that can blend into other seasonal decor, making it versatile. Eco-friendly decor is a beautiful way to celebrate while being kind to the planet. If you're inspired by these ideas, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more sustainable decor tips. Conclusion: thank you so much for watching. I hope these Valentine wall decor ideas have sparked your creativity and inspired you to craft a space that radiates love and warmth. Whether you're drawn to fun and easy DIY crafts, sophisticated and elegant designs, or even budget-friendly, eco-friendly options, there's a perfect idea here for everyone to make this Valentine's Day truly unforgettable. This is your chance to turn your walls into a canvas of affection and showcase your unique style. Remember, even the smallest details, like a handwritten note or a touch of sparkle, can make a big impact in creating a space that feels both festive and personal. Let's make this Valentine's Day one to remember for you and your loved ones. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a fellow decor lover who's getting ready for Valentine's Day. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss more creative and festive ideas here at Decorants. Wishing you a Valentine's Day filled with love, joy, and endless creativity.